everyone, this is Alice. Welcome to our factory. Today I will show you our complete sauce making machine lines. And please follow Alice. I will show you one by one. You can see the first machine is the call it mill machine. This machine can grind many things like the potatoes, peanut, and other things. And this can make the raw materials to the good finest pastas. And this is the motor pump. Through the motor pumps and pipelines, we can connect with the cooking pot. You can see the cooking pot have the two layers, and this machine have two functions. One is stirring, and the two is heating. You can see the inside in there, and there all the raw material is all the 304 stainless steels. And then through the pipes, there are another cooking pot. We can do the different sauce. And then there also have a motor pump to through the pipelines connect with the filling machine lines tanks. And this hole is the filling machines. And the first one is the bottle and scrambler machines. We can put the empty bottles there and through the pipe and through the belt to this filling machines. We can see these filling machines have the 4 nozzles. If the 4 nozzles is not suitable for you, we can add extra to the 6 or to 8 for you. And the raw material is we customize for our customers. The raw material is the 316 raw materials, and there have the 2 sensors there. When the bottles throw the belt to there are 2 sensors. You can see that to make it to the right positions. And follow on the belt. This is the cap lifting machines. We put all the caps to there, and this is the lifting. We are lifting the caps to there. We are come to put the caps on the bottles to make this, and then through the belt we come to the cap making machines. And this cap making machines have also a function. It is the vacuum. The vacuum can keep the long shelf life of our product, and this will keep our machines will not pull out. And then follow up our belt. You can see that this is the label machines. This is the label machines to put the labels on the bottles, and you can print your logos and your company informations on it to print the labels. And then through the belt we come out to our ice scrambler. These machines we can put some workers to come the finished bottles to the box. And this is the whole length of our machine lines. Thank you for your listening. If you have any interest, please contact us. Thank you all.